Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something new to show you guys. And today, the only thing that you have never seen on my channel before. I mean, it's not the only thing. And today, we've got this Nerf Triad EX. Is it amazing? I mean, I have never been review on Nerf one before. It's a gun and it's fun, and with foam darts, and it's fun. I've got one, but it's now broken. It's like rough cut and it's already broken, so I don't ask my dad for anymore or I will get killed. So right now I've got this. This toy is sponsored by my brother. First month salary though, well, that's why. I think so. Thank you, bro. So he wants me to unboxing it as fast as I can, even though that he's not here. But he wants me to unboxing it to make the video as fast as I can because he want to try out this Nerf. You can put 3 darts in it. And it came with 3 elite darts, and here the instruction, and here they show you the elite darts performance. And this is the gun. It's got cocking handle. Wow! And this thing it's fire up to 90 feet. Whoa! I can't wait to try it out. It seems really amazing. Alright, so let's unboxing it. I can't wait to try it out. Oh, where do I start? Here? Alright guys, so this is the gun. Right, so it cocking handle. Oh, when you pull it and when you shoot, it's kind of scary. And it came with 3 Nerf dart. It's like foam. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, look at the gun. So you can put 3 darts, and it's white. I searched in YouTube and I found some of them are blue, but mine is white. Well, that's also great. It really is creepy, you know, to just like it's gonna come and hit my hand, but no, it doesn't. Oh God, look at the detail. So cool. And so let's put the dart in it. Oh, and now it's time for tasting. And last time I've got Nerf gun, I also got a lot of Nerf darts. Alright guys, so I'm at my grandma's house over here, and I'll be testing this gun out. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'll be shooting here, and let's see how far it can be. Oh, so sometimes it shoots really far, but sometimes it doesn't. Let's land right here, next to here. Alright guys, thanks for watching for this video. If you like Nerf gun or this review, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And bye!